In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make this crunchy, yummy, delicious gari. Have you ever made your own gari before? If not, stay tuned, watch this video, let me take you along and show you how I make this gari. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate every one of you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make gari. These are my cassava that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 4 cassava, or you can call it yoka. Okay, right now I'm cutting my cassava. I've already rinsed it up. I've already washed the body of the cassava. Now I'm going to cut it up, then I will take off the skin. Okay, after taking off the skin, then I will go ahead and rinse the cassava. Then after rinsing the cassava, I will go ahead also and grate the cassava for easy blending.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. Emini can change a man. Not so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I am done peeling the cassava. I've already rinsed it. Now the next step to do is for me to grate the cassava. Okay, I want to grate the cassava because I want my blender to be easy, to be able to blend the cassava nice and smooth. If you don't want to grate it like this, you can go ahead and chop the cassava into tiny pieces and just go ahead and blend it. Okay, okay guys, I am done grating the cassava. The next step is for me to go ahead and blend all of them inside the blender. I'm going to add the grated cassava inside the blender, then I'll add a little water for easy blending. Then I'll blend till it is very smooth. Okay,
now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I pass in the street with my car, them just they allow my name. See friends,
after I am done blending the cassava, I will go ahead and transfer it into a clean cheesecloth. Then I will use my hand to press some of the water away from the cassava. I'm just going to use my hand to press away some of the water. Okay, at this point, most of the water have already been drained. I went ahead and transferred it back to a bowl. Then I added palm oil because I wanted to make a yellow gari. That's why I'm adding oil. If you don't want yellow gari, you just want a plain gari, you can go ahead and skip the oil. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hand to mash the cassava together so that the oil will be well blended with the cassava. Okay, I'm just going to mix it well properly so that the oil will be well blended with the cassava. Okay, then I will transfer it back to my cheesecloth. Then I will drain it properly. If you are still watching to this point, thank you so much for the love, for the support. I really appreciate every one of you. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I really appreciate the love, the support from every one of you. God bless you all. I'm just going to use my hand to press some of the water out of the cassava. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to press as much water my hand can take out of the cassava. Then I'll transfer it on top of another bowl. Then I'll put another plate on top of it. Then I'm going to add any heavy object that I have water. Then I'll put it on top of it and I'll allow it to drain till the next day. Okay, this is the next day. The water I've already drained out. I'm gonna take it out from the cheesecloth. Then the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and take a strainer. Okay, you can use any strainer of your choice to strain the cassava so that the lumps, okay, you don't want to fry it like this. Okay, you want to break these lumps apart. You want to use your strainer to filter it. Okay, in those days there's a special filter that they use to do this process, but we are in abroad, we don't have that one. There's always another way out. I'll go ahead and use my strainer. Then I'm just going to add a little bit inside the strainer. Then I'll just use my hand to break it apart. Then the next step is for me to go ahead and fry the cassava. Okay, I was so excited doing this because I remember growing up, I used to do this with my mom. Okay, we used to go to the farm, we uproot the cassava, we'll take it to the machine, we'll blend it and fry it the next day very early in the morning. Oh my goodness, this, when I was doing this video really brought back old memories. Okay, I was having fun doing this, although it was hard, but I was having fun. I really enjoy making this video, guys. This is the finished product. Okay, this is what I got from the after I've used my hand, the strainer, to strain the cassava. This is what I got. Then I'm just going to throw that away. And this is my big cast iron. I put it on top of the stove. I'm just checking it if it's warm enough. Then I'll add my cassava. Let's make gari. Yes, okay, I'm just going to add some of it to it, and I will use this flat spoon. It's a plastic spoon, just to break it apart. Just make sure your stove is on a low heat. Okay, you don't, at this point, you don't want to hide the heat of the stove, okay, of the fire. Then you just go ahead and begin stirring it, okay? Make sure if there's any lump, break them apart. Just keep stirring. This is when the work begins, okay? Okay, at this point my hand was killing me. You get to a point I was like, oh my goodness, this is hard though, but I enjoyed making the gari. I enjoyed doing it. I just keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring till the cassava is crunchy, till the gari is crunchy. Okay guys, oh my goodness. Oh, if you are the one that made gari when you were growing up, you will know what I mean. This process, man, it was so fun to do, and at the same time my hand was like, okay, I need a break. Just keep stirring and stirring till your cassava is well dried, till your gari is well dry. Okay guys, this gari was so yummy. Like the taste, the crunchiness was amazing. It was so good. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel and you are still there, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Okay, at this point the cassava, the gari is well dried, and I'm just going to take it out from the pan, and I'll continue the process again till I am done frying the rest of the cassava, the rest of the gari. Okay, cassava, you turn cassava to gari. When you don't fry it, you turn to gari. Okay, I'm just going to continue the process, fry it on a very low heat. You're going to be using the spoon to break the lumps apart. Okay, make sure you do it against the pot so that the lumps, you don't want lumps on your on the gari. Okay, we don't want too much lumps. Okay, just going to be breaking it apart, stirring it. Continue to stir, don't leave it. Oh, you can leave it for a minute, then you keep stirring. Okay, because if you don't stir it properly, you're going to have a chunk of lumps on the gari. Okay,
people know who go make up for life. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but now so the storyline it be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. Now so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. Now so the matter be. Every day back then when I stayed there for Usolu. If I just they walk on my home, people go just they criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I no get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today, I dey drive in my phantom, they just dey shout. I hope I for level, the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSP for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they man. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, so people will not like me before they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
This is the end result. Okay, I'm just going to transfer it into this strain, then I will allow it to cool down. Guys, look at the color. This gari was so good. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up for me. Bye.